So to simplify example 3D, we first want to change it into a division problem. So we're going to write the first fraction, 3x squared minus 2x minus 8 over 4x squared minus 24x plus 32 divided by x squared plus x minus 12 over 2x squared minus 2x minus 24. Okay, then we want to flip the division to make this multiplication. So 3x squared minus 2x minus 8 over 4x squared minus 24x plus 32. And we're multiplying by the reciprocal, so we're just flipping this second fraction. 2x squared minus 2x minus 24 over x squared plus x minus 12. So now we need to do some factoring. So let's start with this piece. So I'll call that piece number 1, 3x squared minus 2x minus 8. Since this has a 3 in front, and we can't divide the 3 into the 2 or the 8, we need to do hard trinomial factoring here. So that means we need to multiply a times c. 3 times negative 8 is equal to negative 24. And then we're looking for the factors of negative 24, which I'll just start listing them out, that add to negative 2. So negative 4 and 6 is almost it. That's positive 2. So I'm just going to flip those signs, 4 and negative 6. So we need 1 negative, 1 positive because we had a negative 24 there. So I'm just going to split this b term into those two. 3x squared plus 4x minus 6x minus 8. Then we're doing the grouping method. So we could take an x out of these two. If we divide out an x, that's 3x plus 4. Then we're trying to get 3x plus 4 to show up again when we take a GCF out of these two. They share a factor of 2, but since 3x plus 4 is positive, let's take out a negative 2. And then we get 3x plus 4. So the factored form here is that 3x plus 4 that's shared multiplied by the two GCFs, x minus 2. Okay, so that's kind of our first piece in the top left of this fraction. So it was right here in the top left, so I'm going to rewrite 3x plus 4, x minus 2. Okay, now let's move on to the second piece, which is 2x squared minus 2x minus 24. At first, this maybe looks like hard factoring as well because we have a 2 in front of the x squared, but really we could divide that 2 out of each of the terms. We divide out that 2, it's 1x squared minus 1x minus 12. And then we can do easy factoring with the negative 12 and just start listing out those factor pairs. So there's negative 12 and 1, negative 6 and 2, negative 4 and 3. Since we're trying to add to negative 1, that's the pair that we want. So 2 times x minus 4 times x plus 3. So that's what we're going to put in the top right spot here. So 2x minus 4, x plus 3. Okay, next part, the bottom left here. So I'll call that number 3. 4x squared minus 24x plus 32. First, let's see if we can divide out this front 4, and we can. So that would be 4x squared minus 24 over 4 is 6. 32 over 4 is 8. So we're looking for the factor pair of 8 that would add to negative 6. And that's negative 4, negative 2. 4x minus 4, x minus 2. And that goes in the bottom left.